Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Nokia G42. So we have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. Now you can click install. And click open. Now you can skip introduction, and here you can customize your home page or click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And now you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now it asks if you want to see notifications from this application. And now it asks you if you want to sign in to import your that data from Google, or you can click not now. And that's it. Now you can use your Microsoft Edge as your regular browser. So if you like this video, please remember to leave like and subscribe.